you have a depth of experience in working with ERP in general. You have a lot of experience working specifically with Microsoft Dynamics GP. And I am curious to hear from you, people that are Great Plains users, what concerns do they have today?
So I've been working with Great Plains before Microsoft even owned it, and that's going back pretty far. So it's kind of unclear for a definite answer about the future that they have announced for the end of life. But we do know that there's talk about Dynamics Great Plains end of life starting April 1st of 2026, where new customer sales of Dynamics GP is going to end. Then there's a statement that says starting April 1st of 2025, no new sales of GP perpetual licenses. So there's different types of licensing for GP, but the perpetual licenses are not going to happen after April 1st of 2025. Subscription sales, however, can still happen. So they say for an additional year. So now we're talking 2026, but the price of subscription and perpetual licenses are going up starting October of 2023. After they discontinue new customer sales, I heard that there'll be 5 more years of support. They have not identified support. So what does that mean? Maybe service packs to fix things and so on and so forth, but no new technology. The technology piece will stop. What's interesting is there are a lot of customers who have spent tons and tons of money on implementing GP, and they've had it for several years. So now to think about switching, it's kind of an odd and unstable time for them because they're not quite sure what to do at this point. So, but certainly the best time to start talking about it. Now is the time to start planning. And probably it's not going to be as tough as everybody thinks because there are a lot of new things that are out there in Acumatica and other softwares that, are going to probably do a very good job.